Good evening to everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Am I audible? Yes,
Good
good
evening,
evening.
sir.
Yes,
Fine.
sir.
So, this is the profit and loss part 3. So, here we will do some problems. Okay. Some problem, listen carefully, some problem required some formulas, and a few problems can be done without formula using the logic. So, therefore, you need to learn both the things. Okay, formula is also very important. Uh, at the same time, if you do the practice, then it would be easy to remember those formulas. In your school days you came across many formulas, so in your school days, but you are remembering those formulas because of practice. So therefore practice is very important. So here I will teach you the PCG method also with respect to some problems, so you can apply the PCG method so to solve those kind of problems. Then some problem you need to apply the concept called as formulas. Simple. So here is the first question. Okay, here is the first question. uh, if Joel sells an article at a 4 by 5th of its selling price and secures a profit, okay, then what will be the profit or loss percentage if he sells it at the actual selling price? So if you read one or twice, surely you will get the solution. So here he sells, which means selling price, okay, sells the article at 4 by 5th of its selling price, but you don't know the cost price. Then what I'm going to do is I'm considering this cost price as 100. Okay, so here he secures a profit of 20%. So 20% means 20 rupees. Okay, then this is going to be the 120. So this is the selling price with 20 percentage, which means that he sells an article for 5th of that selling price. So that selling price is nothing but 120, which is equal to 4/5 of the actual selling price. Okay, so actual selling price. Then cancel this. So this is going to be the 30. Then actual selling price is going to be the 150. So here you need to calculate the percentage gain or loss. Here actual selling price, you know, right, that is 150. That actual selling price is greater than the cost price. Then obviously here selling price is greater than the cost price. Then it gives you profit only. So therefore you need to calculate the profit percentage. Profit percentage is equal to SP minus CP. Then with respect to the CP, okay, into 100. So here I have written CP here in the denominator because we have considered that CP as 100. So then here 150 minus 100 is nothing but a 50. 50 by 100 into 100, then which is equal to 50 percentage. So learn this CP this PCG method also if you don't know the if you couldn't able to remember the formulas. Okay, so therefore answer is 50 percentage. Anybody having a doubt here? This PCG method is the best method, but here also you need a lot of practice to remember those things. I hope everyone is clear. So now listen carefully. So here let us check with the method 2. So this is method 2. Okay. The same way, if you don't know the selling price, then take 100. If you don't know the cost price, here I am considering the cost price as 100. Then the 20 percentage of a profit. So which means that 120. Okay. Then the question is dealing with the this 120 is equal to 4 by 5th of the selling price. So then same selling price is equal to 150. After knowing the selling price and the CP, then you can use this formula to find out the profit percentage. Anybody having a doubt? If you are having a doubt, please clarify. No means we'll move on to the next problem.
No, sir.
No, fine. A product cost of company, okay, to manufacture. So that is nothing but product cost is nothing but whatever you are investing, that is going to be the CP. So now after this, it sold the product to the dealer for rupees 70, okay, which in turn the dealer, okay, the dealer in turn sold it to the shopkeeper for this much amount. Then the shopkeeper sold to the customer for this much. Then they are asking you to find out the percentage of profit for the company and who made the highest profit on selling that product. Okay, so first of all, take the given, okay, data first. Company, then dealer, then shopkeeper, then the finally it reaches the customer. So first of all, so cost price for the company, so which is equal to 60. The selling price for the company, which is equal to 70. What is the question? The first question is, what is the percentage of profit for the company? So therefore profit percentage is equal to what? SP minus CP by CP into 100. So therefore SP here is nothing but a 70 for that company. CP is nothing but a, then CP is nothing but 60 into 100. So therefore 70 minus 60 is nothing but 10 by 60 into 100. 0 0 cancel. So 1 by 6 is nothing but what? 16.66. So this is very important conversion, and you need to be very careful. This we have done in the percentage concept. Then 16.6 is nothing but 2 by 3. Therefore 16 2 by 3. From this itself you can eliminate 50% from the given options. Therefore where 16 2 by 3%, one of them is going to be the answer. Therefore A is not going to be the answer, then C is not going to be the answer. 50% we have eliminated. Then we have to check with either dealer. So here E also not possible. We have to check with the dealer or shopkeeper. So who gains the highest profit? So 50% eliminated. After eliminated, so then come back to the dealer. So for a dealer, okay, when this company selling to the dealer, that is going to be the cost price for the dealer. So now the cost price here is 70. Then this dealer selling that product to the shopkeeper, then therefore this is the selling price, therefore 85 here. So profit percentage, so which is equal to what? 85 minus 70 by 70 into 100. So which is equal to 15 by 70 into 100. So which is equal to 3 by 13. 3 by 13 into 100. So 1 by 13 is nothing but you need to know the conversions. 1 by 13 is nothing but 7.692. Then 3 by 13 is nothing but 23.07 approximately. Okay. Then moving with the shopkeeper. So for shopkeeper, this selling price will become the cost price for the shopkeeper. Then what is the selling price for the shopkeeper? 1 or 2 rupees. Then after such, percentage profit is equal to what? So which is equal to 1 or 2 minus 85 by 85 into 100. So this is nothing but 17 by 85 into 100. So here 5 times 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 is nothing but a 20%. So therefore 20%. Now whose percentage is more, dealer's percentage or shopkeeper? So dealer's percentage is more, therefore the dealer attains highest profit on selling that product. So therefore answer for this question is option B. Anybody having a doubt? If you are having a doubt, please clarify.
Sir, no, sir.
Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir, clear.
Ajay, Rajashekar, everyone clear, right? Anu,
Yes, sir.
fine. So let us move on to
Yes, sir.
the
Clear, sir.
next one. So Navya buys a certain number of toys at 12 per 9. Okay, but you don't know that certain number of toys here, whether 100 toys or whatever. Okay, you are going to the market, you are buying 10 chairs. Okay, let us take the chair. You are buying 10 chairs. What you are doing is you are paying 9 rupees for every 12 chairs. So that is the question here. Understood? Then the same number, same 100 chairs, listen carefully, the same number, what you are doing is same number of, okay, same number 18 per 9 rupees. Okay, if she sells them at 18 per rupees 15, okay, which means that 18 chairs for rupees 15, whatever. So now the question is, does she gain or loss? If it is so, what is the percentage of gain or loss? So that is the question here. Here you can do in many methods, but here you just do this problem, this kind of unknown problems, by using simple your school method. That is very important. School method is also important instead of leaving that question. So here you don't know that the number of toys, certain number of toys, then what you are going to do is just assume that a certain number of toys as X. Find out the total cost price. Okay, so what would be the total cost price? So this much of toys with respect to 12 per 9 rupees, then 18 for 9 rupees, then cancel this here 1 by 2, then here 3 by 4. So therefore X into 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. So I'm just taking the LCM here, 4, here 3, here 2 is there, therefore 2 into 2s are 4, then in the numerator contains, you have to multiply 2. So therefore 5x by 4, or you can consider this as a 5x by 4 or 10 by 8. Just we will take 5x by 4, anyhow we are going to take the LCM. So after this you need to calculate the selling price. So now listen carefully here. Read the question. If she sells them, which means that both the things, okay, both the things, which means that the first part and the second part. So therefore number of toys in the first part is X, the number of toys in the second part is X. Then listen carefully, therefore what would be the total selling price? So therefore total selling price is equal to this much of product. So therefore X plus X is nothing but 2X in terms of how much she is selling, 18 for 15 rupees, then 2x, cancel this, so we will get a 5 by 6. Okay, so 2 into 5 are 10, 10x by 6. You know the selling price, then you know the cost price, then easy to calculate. See, if the resultant gives you a negative, then obviously it is loss. If the resultant is a positive, then obviously it is a profit. So with this logic, you can easily find out the profit percentage. Profit percentage is equal to selling price minus cost price by cost price into 100. So therefore here 10 by 6x minus 5x by 4, CP is nothing but 5x by 4, into 100. X gets cancelled here. In the numerator, you can take x as a common denominator. X is present, therefore you can cancel that. Then, so here, cancel this. 5, 3. Then take the LCM as 12. If you take the LCM as 12, then here 3 into 4s are, therefore numerator 5 into 4s are 20. Here 4 into 3s are 12. Then the numerator 5 into 3s are 15. So into 100. So divisible by 5 by 4. So therefore here 5 by 12. This denominator gets reciprocal. Therefore 4 by 5 into 100. Then 5 gets cancelled here. 1 by 3. 1 by 3 into 100. You know the conversion. What is 1 by 3? 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is nothing but a, yes, 33.33 percentage. So the result is positive. Therefore, this 33.33, this 33.33 can be written as 1 by 3. Therefore, option C, 33 1 by 3 percentage gain. Anybody having a doubt?
Sir, sir, any doubt, sir? Sir, Navya buys a certain number of toys at 12. And the 12 is sir.
Which means that, listen, Dinesh, you are going to a shop.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You are buying certain number of toys. That number of toys you don't know.
Okay, sir.
Just give me a minute. Okay, let me have tablet. Okay. Sorry, Dinesh. So
Sir.
100 toys. Okay. So you are planning to buy some number of toys. Okay, you can take that number of toys. Okay, whatever. Okay.
Sir.
But that number of toys you don't know. But you bought some toys. So let us take some 50 toys you are buying. Okay.
Okay, sir.
For every 12 toys you are paying 9 rupees.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Then 24 toys you are paying 18 rupees. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So like that. Understood? Understood the question now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Fine. Shall we move to the next problem?
Sir, ஒரு doubt sir. Sir, 2x மட்டும் எப்படி வந்துச்சுன்னு சொல்லுங்க sir. Total selling price.
Listen. So there are, suppose if you are buying 50 toys. These 50 toys you are investing 9 rupees for 12. Again same the 50 toys you are investing 9 rupees for 18. So now how much number of toys you have bought?
Sir, 100 sir.
That is nothing but the 2x.
Okay sir, okay sir.
Clear?
Sir. Yes sir.
Fine. But we don't know that 50 or 80. Therefore we are taking that as xx. Understood? Clear?
Okay. Okay sir.
So
clear,
that is going to be your CP. So that much of toys you are going to selling na. So therefore x toys and x toys you are selling as a 2x toys. Understood?
Okay sir. Yes sir.
Fine. Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. This is a simple question. You people want to try? Very simple question. Read the question one or twice. Surely you will get some logic. It's a simple mathematical calculation only required. Shall I wait for 1 or 2 minutes?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Apply some logic, simple. Doesn't require any formulas.
Sir, 2044.
2044. Fine. So it's a very simple question. If you read one or twice, you will get the logic. So listen. A shopkeeper sells a marker at the rate of rupees 35 each. So how much he is selling now? Per day? 12. Okay. So this is very important. So now commission 10% for each. Okay. So for a single marker is getting 3.5 rupees. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Marker commission. Okay. Marker commission. Okay. Let me write here. Marker commission, which is equal to 3.5 rupees per marker. So he is selling 12 markers, right? 12 markers in a day, which means that 12 into 3.5, which is equal to 42 rupees. Okay. So now pen commission. Pen commission, which is equal to 20% commission. 10% is 6.5. 20% is nothing but 13. 13 rupees per pen. So therefore 8 pen. Therefore 13 into 8. So which is equal to 104. Okay. Per day commission. Per day total commission, which is equal to 104 plus 42. So which is equal to 146 per day commission. So therefore for 2 weeks, 2 weeks means 7 days. Sorry, 14 days. Per week 7 days, 2 weeks 14 days. Therefore 14 into 146. Obviously listen carefully. Don't multiply fully. First of all, check with the unit place, then check with the options, then go with the elimination method. Simple. 6 4s are 24. The unit place is going to be the 4. Which one? C is the answer. Understood? Save your time.
Yes, sir.
You can eliminate the remaining things. I hope everyone understood. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So let us move on with the next one. A discount of 20% is given on the marked price of an article. The shopkeeper charges sales tax of 10% on the discount price. If the selling price is rupees 1840, what is the marked price of an article? What is the marked price of an article? So this problem can be done using the formulas which I have taught in the previous classes. Now listen carefully. Without formula, let us do. Somebody asked me also, without formula, please teach me some problems. Okay. So listen carefully. Learn this method, Pcg method. So I don't know that marked price. I'm considering that marked price now as a 100% or 100 rupees. You consider that as a 100. Okay. After considering that as a 100, okay, how much of the discount? 20% of the discount. 20 rupees discount means minus. Then now it will become 80. So this is nothing but the discounted price. Discounted price. Everyone understood up to this? So with this discounted price, the shopkeeper charges sale tax of 10 rupees. Sorry, 10%. 10% sales tax. This is nothing but the discount, therefore subtract. So therefore here charges, right? Charges means what? We need to add 10%. What is the 10 percentages of 88 rupees? So now add this to 88 rupees, nothing but the selling price now. So this selling price 88 rupees of the market price, I don't know that market price now, new market price. What is the market price of the article? So that 88 of X is going to be the given. What is the 88 percentage of? So finally see here 88 percentage. Okay, this is the 88 percentage. So 88 percentage of that market price, you don't know, right? That you consider as the 100 percentage. Okay, so 88 percentage of the market price is equal to selling price. So what is the selling price here? 1848. Then 88 by 100 into X, which is equal to 1848. Then X is equal to 1848 into 88 by 100. Okay.
So 1848 divided by 88 into 1.
Yes. 100 we have to cross multiply here. 100 you have to cross multiply, then 88. So here 100, here 88. Then cancel this 21 times. Therefore X is equal to 21 into 100. So X is equal to 2100. What is the answer? D. Everyone understood this method?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Learn this method. Practice this method as much as possible. Okay. This method gives you result in accurate manner. But what you need to do is, you need to practice this method a lot. Okay. Then only you can able to solve. Anu understood, Abhijit understood, Ajay understood, Bendel also understood, Charulata,
Yes,
Dinesh
sir.
Kumar,
Yes,
Jyoti,
sir. Yes, sir.
Girishma, Jansi, Kirtiga, Ismail understood. Ram,
Understood, sir.
Vijay, everyone understood, right? This method. This method is the best method, but you need lot of practice to use PCG method. PCG method.
Sir,
Hmm.
அந்த 88% ஆஃப் எக்ஸ்னு கொடுத்துருக்கீங்களா அது மட்டும்
We don't know the market price, right? What is the actual market price? X.
அது 88% கொடுத்தோம்
88% is nothing but after this much of discount, after this much of sales tax, that is going to the selling price. This selling price is nothing but out of the market price. Understood? Smile. MRP. Some MRP will be there. Okay, wow. You are going to the shop. Some MRP will be there. Out of that, they are mentioning 20% discount. Okay. So we don't know that MRP. Understood? Some
Yes,
MRP
sir.
will be there. You don't know that MRP. The shopkeeper saying that 20% discount with respect to MRP. Then we will put a sales tax only. Understood? That is the selling price out of that MRP. Understood?
Yes, sir.
That MRP you don't know, right? That MRP is nothing but the X. Whatever be the MRP. புரிஞ்சுச்சா?
புரியுது சார். நெக்ஸ்ட் போலாம்.
சரி. So this problem, try it. Take 1 or 2 minutes, try it. It's simple only. A calculates is profit percentage on the selling price. Okay. B calculate is on the cost price. They find that the difference of their profit is rupees 150. If the selling price of the both of them are same and both of them gets 20% profit, find their selling price in rupees. Find their selling price in rupees. So that is the question now. Shall I wait or you people trying? Anything fine. Okay, let me do. So now listen. I don't know the selling price. Take that selling price as X. So what is A's profit? So you have to be very careful now. Okay. What is the A's profit? A calculate is profit percentage on the selling price. Okay. So therefore here X into, so how much profit? 20%. So therefore by, what is the selling price now? I don't know the cost price. Cost price is 100. Profit is 20% is nothing but 20. Then the selling price is nothing but 120. Understood? Therefore in the denominator you have to take 120 since A is calculating with respect to selling price. Therefore here X by 6. Then B's profit. Now listen carefully here. E is selling. So therefore here X into, so same 20, but we need to calculate with respect to the cost price since B calculate with respect to the cost price. So therefore here X by 5. So difference is given na. What is the difference? So here difference is equal to 150 rupees. X by 5 minus X by 6 minus X by 5 is equal to 150. Now take LCM as 30 here. Then cross multiply 5x minus 6x. Okay. So you can take X by 5 also, not an issue here. Okay. So therefore here 150. Then X is equal to 150 into 30, 4500. Therefore, if the selling price for the both of them are same, both of them gets 20% profit, find their selling price in rupees. So that X is nothing but their selling price. Understood? Answer is 4500.
Sir, here B should be on CP, not SP profit.
B should be on the CP. B should be on the CP. Here, check here. B calculates it's on the CP.
So why have we taken B's profit as X into 20 into 100? X is SP.
Huh. Here A's profit is equal to this selling price into what would be, what he is doing now. He is calculating with respect to this percentage with respect to
Okay,
the
sir.
selling price. This much of percentage. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Fine. Shall I move on to the next problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No doubt, right?
No doubt,
No,
sir.
sir.
See, listen. Here minus and all, don't worry here. Since it is the difference. Okay. Difference of their profit only given. You can take X by 5 minus X by 6 also. That is what I am avoided my negative sign here. Since with this negative sign, we are not going to do nothing. Since we are finding out the money cannot be negative. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. A person sells 2 fans for rupees 6800. Okay. A cost price of the first fan is equal to the selling price of the second fan. If the first is sold at a 30% loss, second is sold at a 100% gain. 100% gain. What is the total profit or loss in rupees? In rupees. Shall I wait?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So calculate the CP, simple. After CP, you can easily find out the profit is equal to SP minus CP.
So 200.
No, 200 is wrong. People doing
Sir, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
fine.
Sir,
Hmm.
I think it's 800.
800 is right. You want to give explanations? You want to give? If you want, you can give.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So I have to explain it?
Yes, yes, you can.
Yeah.
If you want, you can.
So what I have did is that
Hmm.
I have taken the first fan and the second fan that the cost price is 100 rupees. Okay.
Very good. Okay.
Then what I did is like as it is mentioned in the question that the cost price of first fan is equal to the selling price of the second fan.
So shall I
Okay.
take 100 here? Shall I take 100 here?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Then what I did, as it is said on the second line of the question, that it's equal to the selling price of the second. So it is written if the first is sold at 30% and the second at 100% gain. So what I did 100 minus 30, that is 70%.
Hmm.
And coming to the second what I did, that I took as a profit of 100% and that is 50.
Hmm.
Then what I did total cost price.
Hmm.
Okay, so I have added it and I made it as 150.
Hmm.
And then I did with the total selling price. Then I did 100 plus 70, that is 170.
Okay.
So, and if it is mentioned in the question, like a person sells two fans for rupees 6800. So I took as selling price 6800, and
Okay.
then what I did, I applied the cost price, and that is 150 by 170 into 6800. Then I cancelled and I got 6000.
Fine.
Yeah.
Fine.
And then at the last, as it is asked, like what is total profit or loss in rupees? So I did 6800 minus 6000, and that is 800.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So now listen carefully. So this is the PCG method. Listen carefully. Here, have you people noted down what I have done here with this diagram? Or shall I explain?
Yes, sir.
Listen, let me explain the diagram. Listen carefully here. First of all, the first person sells 2 fan for rupees. So a person sells 2 fan for rupees. This one. Okay. Then the cost price of the first fan is equal to the selling price of the second. So therefore, you don't know the cost price. Consider that as answer 100. So therefore, if the cost price of the first one is equal to 100, that is going to be the selling price of the second one. Therefore, here 100, here 100. Understood? The first one is sold at 30%. Discount means minus. So therefore, selling price is equal to 70. Understood? So now listen carefully. Here 100. To get 100, what would be the cost price? 100% increase here. 100% means IPO. So 100% means 1 rupees means that 1 rupee are to increase. Therefore 50 rupees means that 50 rupees have to 100. Therefore to get 100, dash plus dash is equal to 100, but this both should be same. Since this is going to be the 100% increase, therefore this should be here. Therefore obviously we have to get a 50-50. None other option. Understood? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So after this, you can total CP is equal to here, then SP is equal to here. Then what would be the profit percentage actually? What would be the profit percentage? Percentage profit is equal to 20 by 150 into 100, isn't it? Yes or no? Then
Yes, sir.
what is the profit percentage? Here the question is dealing with the profit percentage. No. So profit percentage means this is the procedure. But the question is not dealing with the profit percentage. They are dealing with the amount. So if they are dealing with the amount, so when the SP is equal to, listen, when the SP for the both is equal to 6800, then calculate the CP. How to calculate the CP? CP is equal to 150 by 170 into SP. What is the SP? 6800. This one you know, right? How to do?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Then we can cancel this one. 0 cancel. Then 680, 680
680 divided by 17.
uh,
40.
40,
17 fours are 68.
17 fours are therefore 40. Then 00, 15 fours are, so this is CP. The profit is nothing but a SP minus CP. SP is nothing but 6800. CP is nothing but 6000. Therefore the profit is nothing but 800 rupees. Anybody having a doubt here?
No, sir.
If you are having doubt, please clarify. Clear?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Fine.
சார் சார் நம்ம சிபி தானே சார் கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம். அண்ட் தென் 150 ஏன் சார் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் மேல போட்டோம்?
SP கண்டுபிடிச்சா 170 மேல வரும். நம்ம சிபி கண்டுபிடிச்சா 150 மேல வரும். புரிஞ்சுச்சா? புரியுதா? டிஃபரன்ஸ் புரியுதா?
எஸ் சார், எஸ் சார்.
So this question, read one or twice. The question is simple, but you need understanding. I will teach you this one with a simple method, okay, not formula method, but people try something, or else I will do here. Grishma present,
Yes, sir.
Fine, no doubt, right? so far?
Okay.
Fine. A dealer allowed a discount of 25% on marked price of rupees. Listen, the MRP is provided here, 20,000 on an article. So now after this, it incurred a loss of 20%. What discount should he allow on the marked price so that he get a gain of rupees 450 on that article? Okay. So first of all, how to proceed this problem? Listen, this kind of problem. Here marked price, okay, 20,000. Take this as a 100%. Here 25% of the discount means what? You have to subtract 25% means 5,000 rupees. 5,000 rupees means what? So subtract this discount 15,000. Okay. So now with this amount incurred 20% of loss. Okay. 20% loss means for how much percentage is selling now? 80% of X is equal to 1500. Understood? Yes or no? 20% loss implies obviously he is selling 80% of something. Okay, that money. So that money is nothing but the selling price. Okay. So now 80% just you write in terms of your fraction itself. It's a very easy. Fraction means 4 by 5. 4 by 5 of X is nothing but 1500. Then X is nothing but so here cancel this 3750. Cross multiply this 3750 into 4. So therefore X is equal to 18750. So this is nothing but the selling price now. Now listen, this is X. What would be the selling price? In order to get the 450 gain, 450 gain. Okay.
So 20,450, sir.
No. How? 18750 plus 450. So this is nothing but the 19200. That is going to be the selling price.
Okay.
Isn't it?
Sir, now on the market price, 450 add counters.
No. How it is? Now calculator. How much money? What would be the MP? MP minus SP. Calculate. MP minus SP is equal to what? 800.
800, sir.
So calculate this in terms of a percentage. 800 by 20,000 into 100. 0000. Then here 8 times.
Sir, 4.
4 times.
Yes, sir.
1 by.
Sir, only 4.
Sir, total of 4.
We can
In the
cancel all
200
the
and the 100 cancel, sir.
Okay, totally.
4 sir, 8. Yes,
Oh,
sir.
totally you people
It
calculated.
will be 4,
Fine.
sir.
This 0 also you people calculated. Cancelled.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 0000. Then 8 by 2, which is equal to 4%. So clear, Dinesh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. D is the answer for this question. Anybody need explanation again? No, right? So now,
No, sir.
fine. So next question. A dealer marked the price of an article 20% above the cost price. 20% above the cost price. He allowed two successive discount, 20% and 25% to the customer. As the result, He incurred a loss of rupees 1400. At what price in rupees did he sell the item to the customer? Shall I wait or? A dealer marked the price of an item 20% above the cost price. So let us take cost price as 100. 20% above means positive. Then 20. Then this is going to be the 120, yeah. MP marked price. So after this he has done the two successive discount. One is
minus 20%.
no.
First discount minus 20%.
He allowed two successive discount.
Yes, sir.
Then what is the overall discount? What is the overall discount? Calculate x plus y plus xy by 100. Understood? This one. If the question is 10%, 20, one is a 20 discount and another one is 25 discount, means do it. Okay, listen. If you are doing such a, what is the 20%?
Sir, 40% is a total. Total of 40%, sir.
40%,
Yes, sir.
Then 48 rupees. Subtract 120 minus 48. 72. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
People understanding this method, this method is a very important method. But listen carefully. What is the 20%? 24 rupees.
24 rupees, sir.
Subtract here. Then 96.
96.
96, sir.
25%.
That also 24.
9.6, 9.6, 4.8.
24 rupees.
24 apa?
Sir, 24, sir.
Here 24.
24, 72.
No. Here, sir. Here.
Sir, 24,
Sir.
sir. 6, 12.
So 25 by 100 into 96. 1 by 96 divided by 4.
So 24. So subtract here. Here also we'll get a 72. Then overall loss. So listen, subtract this. So now this is the selling price. So subtract this.
28. 28, sir.
28.
So 28. So therefore, loss occurred. Therefore, what is the CP? 28% of 1400. So 28 by no.
20 by
28.
Huh?
Sir, I did 28% is equal to 1400. Then 100%
that
is
is
equal
correct.
to
100%
5,000.
Yes, that
is
is correct.
5,000, sir.
28% of x is equal to
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
28% of x is equal to 1400. 28 by 100 into x is equal to 1400. Then x is equal to 1400 into 100 by 28. Then how many times?
So 14 2s are 28.
14
2s are 28.
here 2 times, then
Then
here we
2
have to
and
write
100
100,
50.
then here 100 cancel means 50, 100 into 5 is nothing but 5000. So that is nothing but CP, yeah? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is nothing but CP. So yeah, SP is nothing but 72%, yeah? 72% of 5000 rupees is nothing but a SP. Understood or not? Cost price only you don't know, that is nothing but a X. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So now this much of percentage of CP is nothing but a SP. So now 72 by 100 into 500, sorry, 000. So then 00000000 cancel. Then SP is equal to 72 into 50 already. So therefore 00 will be there. Therefore we can eliminate option C and D. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So therefore 72 into 5 are 0,
3600.
1, okay, 35, 36. Therefore 36. Therefore 3600. Anybody having a doubt? This method without any formula we are doing. Learn this method. Suppose if you want me to teach again, I will teach again. Plus learn this method. This is the PCG method, best method to solve any kind of problem. Anybody wants me to explain you?
சார் சார் அதான் சிபி 5000 கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு, கொஸ்டின்லேயே 1400 கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ அப்படியே நம்ம 3600 போட்டுடலாம் சார். இது 72% ஆஃப் 5000 அதெல்லாம் பண்ணி தான்
போடலாம்ப்பா.
வரும்.
கரெக்ட்ப்பா, நீங்க சொல்றது
ஓகே
கரெக்ட்.
சார், ஓகே சார், ஓகே.
But this is the procedure. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
What
sir.
he is mentioning is loss is 1400, no? Then obviously we can calculate. So therefore 5000 minus 1400, that is going to be the 3600 that he is mentioning. Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
That also you can do. But this is the procedure. PCG method you have to learn. Okay? Shall I move to the next question? So next question.
Yes,
So this question. So listen, after this I will give you 5 practice question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 practice question I will give you. You people try, Yes or no? If you people need a solution means I will write here. If you people want
No,
option.
sir, first we'll do it.
No. You people want the option, na?
Yes, sir.
You people obviously ask options. So for this one, C is the option. I will write the option here. Please try to get the answer or else just inform me. So
I am not able to do that.
keep trying.
Okay, sir.
Don't worry. Anyhow, we are going to discuss many questions. Don't worry. Okay. But
Yes,
anyhow,
sir.
you need to try. Okay. People have to try. So this kind of question and all easily you can get. Shopkeeper makes 20%, cost price gives 15%. Make a PCG method diagram. Surely you will get in a simple manner. Okay. So here, that is why I am giving you these questions as a practice. Okay.
Sir, the ratio question, sir.
Ratio question what?
How to do that, sir?
Ratio means what? If it is given in the ratio, then AX, BX, then take that AX, BX, CX. If it is 3, 4 is to 5, listen, I will do this question. Okay, don't worry. Okay, finally I will do this question. So I will give you 5 questions as a practice question. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 practice questions. Then we will do this question after this one. Okay, then we will wind up the class. Now this question we will do now. A reputed company sells a wristwatch to the wholesale wholesaler making a profit of 10%. So now listen. Then the wholesaler in turn sells this to the retailer making a profit of 10%. A customer purchases by paying rupees 990. Thus the profit of the retailer is 3 by 11%. What is the cost incurred by the company to produce it? So that is the question here. Anybody wants to try PCG method? You just tell me, let me follow your PCG method if you want to. Shall we take this as a X 100%? Then 10% profit. So nobody is ready. 110.
Sir, yes, sir.
10%. Dinesh, you want to try?
121, sir.
11. 121.
Then to the customer at.
Listen, 121.
Yes,
then.
sir.
So now listen. So this is the company. Company, wholesaler, retailer, then
Customer
paying is 920. The profit of the retailer. Profit of the retailer is what?
3 by 11%.
Then we have to add profit of the
Yes, sir.
retailer. So just convert that 25 by 11.
Yes, sir. 25 by 11. Sir.
So 25 by 11. Okay. So the 4x into 110 by 100 percentage. Therefore here
121 by 100.
No. Here you have to be very careful here. Then 25 by 11. The reputed company sells a ready to wash to the wholesaler making a profit of 10%. Then okay. Then retailer 10%. So retailer 10%. Okay, retailer 10%. Okay, making a profit into a customer purchases it by paying 990. The profit of retailer, which means that if the retailer keeps on selling 100%, then profit of this much means what? 25 by 11. So what is the total now? 100 plus 125 by 11. Understood? Yes or no? Clear or not? See, if you are retailer, you are investing 700 rupees, means that 700 rupees is nothing but 100%. Then if it is 25% by 11 profit means what? 100 plus 25 by 11 percentage offer. Understood or not? Clear?
Yes, sir.
So this logic you need to understand. So then this amount which is equal to 990, then you have to calculate the total. So here 11 into 110 by, so I take this LCM here 1125, isn't it? 1125, 100 into 100 into 100 which is equal to 9900. Then 00 cancel, 0000 cancel, 0000
Yes,
cancel.
sir, cancel.
Here, wait, I will cancel here. 10 I will cancel here. Then 10 will cancel here. Then 11 9s are here. Line 11 so 11 9s are.
Sir, கீழ எப்படி சார் கேன்சல் பண்ண முடியும்?
Hmm?
சார் 990 ல இருந்து ஒரு 0 எப்படி சார் கேன்சல் கீழ பண்ண முடியும்?
I have cancelled this 0, this 0. See here, this 0, this 0 cancel.
Okay,
Then
sir.
this 0 with this 0. Understood, Dinesh?
Yes, sir.
Then 11 9s are 99.
Yes, sir.
11 9s are 99. Then x into 111 there, 1125 there, by 10 into 100 into, so 100 into 100,000.
Yes, sir.
Let us calculate here. 1000 or 10,000. So now listen.
சார் டினாமினேட்டர்ல இன்னொரு 11 வரதா சார் அங்க எல்சிஎம் எடுக்கிறது 100 + 25/11 டினாமினேட்டர்ல இங்க 11 வரும் தானே சார்?
Understood? That 11 cancel. We will, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Understood? Now x into, listen, now x into 1125 by 1000 into 100, which is equal to 9. This is nothing but a 125 table, 125 table, 125 table.
125 9s or 1125?
125 9s are. This
Yes,
one
sir.
is 8s are.
So this side we can cancel.
This 9, this
We
9
have
cancel.
9.
Therefore,
No, sir.
x by 800
Yes.
is equal to 1, x is equal to 800. So answer is 800. Option C is the answer for this question. Clear? Yes or no?
Sir, one doubt.
Yes.
What's your doubt?
Sir, x into 110 எழுதிருக்கீங்களா சார் அது 2 times எழுதிருக்கீங்களே அது மட்டும் புரியல சார்.
Okay, fine. So read the question now. Okay.
Yes, sir.
First one is wholesaler making a profit of 10%. This is for wholesaler.
Yes, sir.
Retailer making a profit of 10%.
Okay, sir.
Then this much of amount is nothing but 100%. Then profit of the retailer. Profit is nothing but selling this much. Okay, selling this much with respect to 100% cost price plus 3/11% of profit. Understood?
Yes,
So
sir.
this is nothing but the selling price. So now 100% plus 3/11 is nothing but 100 plus 25/11. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Understood or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Fine. So now somebody asked some that percentage problem, sorry, ratio problem, right? This one
Yes, sir.
you have to practice 1 2 3 4 5 questions. Sorry, 4 questions. Okay, 1 2 3 4. So today 5 or 4 questions are here. 1 2 3 4. So dishonest dealer you people going to solve. So let me give the solution here. Or dishonest dealer. So I have provided here. Please try to solve or else get back. Don't worry. So A, B, C inversed in the ratio 3:4:5. The percentage of the return. Okay. percentage of the return on their investment are in the ratio 6:5:4. Find the total earnings if B earns rupees 250 more than A. Okay. So here three people are there. A, B, C. A, B, C. What is their investment? 3x, 4x, 5x. What is the percentage of the return? Okay, what is the rate of return? That is the percentage, right? The percentage of the return on their investment. So therefore, rate of return, or else you can take percentage return. Okay, in simple manner you can take that also. So this is nothing but the investment. This is nothing but the. So how much of that? 6% of the investment of their investment. Then here 5,
4.
here 4. So what would be the return? Investment, then so investment is equal to, just how we are calculating this, multiply this 3 into 6, 18. X, Y, percentage means what? 100. Then here 20 x by 100, here 20 x by 100. So what is the total now? Total is equal to 40, 40, 40, 58. 58 xy by 100. So what is the thing provided here? B earns more. Therefore B minus A is equal to 250. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So therefore what is B minus A here?
2xy equal to
2xy by 100.
Yes, sir.
Is equal to 250. Then 2xy is equal to
2xy is equal to 250, 58 x by. For 2 it is 250, 58 it will be 7250.
Correct. Understood. So what we have to multiply here? Multiply here. 27. Isn't it? Or else calculate xy. Simple. 250 into 100 by 2. Clear? Xy is equal to 250 by 250, cross multiply this. Then substitute here. 58 by 100 into 250 into 100 by 2. 100 cancel. Then here 27. So 27 into 250. So 27 into 250. So 10 will be there. Therefore 27 into 5 are 27 into 25 are 35. 35, 3, then 10, 13, 4, 1. What is the answer? 7.
250.
Clear? Somebody asked, na?
Yes, sir.
Wrong.
29 தானே சார் வரும்
29 la.
அதான் சார் 29.
Sure, 29. Now clear? 29 into 25 only 7250. Understood, Rajshekar? That you have calculated in a direct way. That is okay.
Yes,
so simply multiply 20 9 in order to get the 58. Therefore 29. 7250. Answer is the D. Anybody having a doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So if you are having a doubt, please clarify, or else let me conclude this class. So tomorrow what we are going to do, I am concluding this class now.
Question paper, previous test.